1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, I swear I'm sick of sorry songs and sobbing on the phone, and guitars can only distract you from yourself for so long. I barely recognize the difference there between right and wrong. It comes and goes and leaves me broke, 'cause God's the only one that knows. It's not my fault, I swear to God, it's not my fault. I've been losing sleep and drugs and thoughts and time and tiny pieces of my mind that you borrowed without asking me, but don't need them right now. I am so goddamn tired of all the lies we're telling to ourselves, of all the lies we're telling to ourselves. I keep a box in my room filled with everything that you ever give me, or anything that reminds me of you. I keep it locked out of sight with hopes that one day I might look up the courage to sit down and write this letter to you. You keep it locked in your drawer by your bedside. You may never read it, but it makes you glad to know that it's there. And you stare at the words that I wrote with my own two hands. Words I never had the courage to say. This is life, this is life, this is life at a pace that will crush us all right back to where we began. This is hope, this is hope, this is hope in the form of a song that no one should ever hear. Nothing's for certain though, only one thing I know is true. I got all these little things, but we still got you.
Hold him up and show your mama, dude. Show your mama.
But don't you know that I've been losing sleep and drugs and thoughts.